The number one response I get when people visit campus is, wow, what a beautiful place. And this building was not a beautiful building, but it used to be a beautiful building. And that's what's been crazy about this process, is rediscovering the incredible wow factor that this building was originally designed to have. So students have the opportunity to hang out here. Faculty will be in here. So all the classrooms are on a separate system so they can be heated and cooled as the sun goes from one side of the building to the other. This allows to reduce energy costs. The hall is actually wider than it had to be so that we've got setbacks. So like down here, that next one, that's a bay that'll have couches and stuff in it so students can sit and study or hang out or prepare. This is why you work with architects. We didn't know all of these views were here, really, because this is all going to be glass. So it's to frame. It's almost like the mountains become pictures in a frame. We often say we're the best kept secret in South Carolina, and we're trying to change that. The crazy thing is, this is the building that's been here all the time. I mean, that's what's so crazy is we kept looking at things. We were like, wait, this is the same building? These views are just crazy spectacular. Part of it is it's designed so when we have business leaders in that are looking for students to do internships and stuff like that, or we've got CEOs or CFOs or whatever that come in, gives them the opportunity to interact with students, but you need to have better space. The goal with this is to have them come in and think, ooh, Class A space, Class A students. There used to be a swing here with poplar trees, and we had to take them out because the footprint was changing, but when we took out the trees, we discovered they were rotten. They actually were hollow and had been in danger of falling. We got the wood out of them, and all the bookcases in my office are from the poplar trees that were out, the 75-year-old poplar trees that were out front that were planted when the building was built. And we've got some other little historic things like that we're doing to try to really kind of connect, again, the past with the future and the old uses with the new uses. North Greenville has a tremendous history. This building, when it was built, was a point of pride. Through the years, because of changes that were made, it was hard to see why it was so celebrated when it was built 75 years ago. But now we're restoring it to that former glory, to the glass, to the steel, to a little bit of concrete, some brick, but it's exciting to see it all taking shape.